Yeah, hello guys, what's up? This is Pip Shooter speaking. Alright guys, if today is your first time hitting up on the Pip Shooters channel, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and then turn on your notification bell so you get notified when next we post, when next I post on my channel. Alright guys, recently I said I was gonna start, or I'm going to start a program, a $20 program on my channel, whereby you fund your account. You're going to fund your account with a minimum of $30, and we are going to grow that account to $100. Okay, yeah guys, it's very certain, and I really mean I'm gonna do that. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I said I was gonna show you guys how you can trade boom and crash simply and in a more simple way. Alright, before we jump into that, I really want to introduce something like this to you. Alright, okay. This is what we call Bank of Tron. Okay, it's a smart contract. I don't really want to go into it that much. I'm not affiliated with Bank of Tron, but it's something I do. I've done it and it really worked for me. As you can see right here, it says get 3.7% to 6.7% per day, decentralized and secure smart contract fund. Alright guys, it's really working. I personally have tried it. If I haven't tried it, I wouldn't have brought it to you guys. But it's a kind of a side hustle. Okay, it's a kind of a side investment. It's not really something that you're going to put all your money into. But let me say $50, $100 into this can really be profitable, guys. Okay, so let me show you the plans and how it looks like. I won't waste much of your time. Alright guys, so this is the diamond plan over here. So we have 3.7%, we have platinum plan, that's 4.7%, gold plan, that's 5.7%, and the bronze plan is 6.7%. Personally, I did the bronze plan, which is 6.7% daily on my investment. Okay, so the total the investment is gonna run for 18 days, and the total return is gonna give you 120%, okay, of your investment. So this one currently is a 45 days investment plan, so it's a total return of 211%.5 under 45 days. Okay, the choice is yours guys, the choice is really yours. So that's just it. So if you're really interested to join this investment plan, the $50 or $20, if you want to give it a try, go down to the description box below. You're going to find the link to this website, Bank of Tron. Register with the link over there and deposit the amount of Tron you really want to start investing with. Okay, so if you don't really know how to go with the investing of the Tron, how you can really invest and how you can get a Tron, message me. My number is down in the description box below. Chat me up and I'm going to tell you how you can buy Tron and start up this investment. Alright guys, let's move over to what we have today. Minutes time frame. Alright, there's something I really want to tell you guys. Okay, in this strategy or in this indicator, there's something I call it actually works well on the 15 minutes time frame and the 5 minutes time frame. When you watch both time frames concurrently, okay, so that's where you get your signals from. That's where I get my signals from. That's where I trade. That's where I do all my stops. Alright guys, so Crash 500 right now, I'm really going to explain how you can trade this. Currently I'm on the 15 minutes time frame. If you can see over here, I'm currently on the 15 minutes time frame. Alright, all is working hand in hand. Alright, as you can see right here guys, you're seeing this signal over here. It says a bullish engulfing. This one also says a bullish engulfing. Okay, let me show you something guys. Alright, over here guys, you're seeing a lot of bullish engulfing, bullish piercing, bullish engulfing, and another bullish engulfing over here. Okay, currently as you can see right here, my spike killer is telling me to buy. Okay, that's a certain one. It's telling me to buy, which I've told you guys multiple times that whenever the spike killer tells you to buy, it's really gonna buy for over a long time. Okay, so you're seeing over here, and this indicator right here is really working 100% guys. 100%, this indicator works 100%. I know what I'm saying. Okay, I've been using it recently. You've been seeing a lot of wins from Pip Shooter. This has been the indicator I'm using. All right, in a brief explanation, I'm gonna explain how this thing does work. Okay, all right, I'm gonna actually start here. Okay, so this is let's say the market is really coming down right now, and first of all, how it works is that it doesn't give you the signal before it happens. Okay, let me make it clear. first of all, there's always in the market, there are different kinds of candlesticks. Okay, there are different kind of candlesticks in the market. Okay, and probably we are now dealing on boom and crash. We're actually dealing with just two of them. Okay, in the bullish market, we are dealing with only two of them, which is the bullish engulfing and the bullish piercing. I don't know if you can see that right here, the red one. Apart from the purple one, there is a red signal over here. We have the bullish piercing and the bullish engulfing. These are the two candlestick patterns we are dealing with on boom and crash. Okay, so currently it really works in hand in hand with my strategy. Okay, with my previous strategy, which is whenever the market goes outside the Bollinger Band, definitely you look for buys. Okay, you buy. Currently right now the spike killer is telling us to buy over here, which means the market is going to go for a long run towards the upside. Okay, that means we are going to have a bullish market. Okay, we are going to have a bullish market. So in this bullish market, what are we looking out for? We are looking out for these signals over here: bullish engulfing, bullish piercing, bullish engulfing. Okay, let me explain right here what really happened over here. Okay, first of all, when this thing comes, when the market, as you can see, the market came all the way from here and all the way down to this side, all right? And after that, a spike happened. And probably we don't know the kind of spike, we don't really know what spike is that or what candlestick pattern is that. So the bullish engulfing now named it. Okay, the bullish engulfing came out telling us that this is a bullish engulfing candle, just like the way we trade forex. Whenever we see a bullish engulfing, we know that it signals change in reversal, or sorry, I said change in reversal. It signals reversal in the market. Okay, so over here we're having a bullish engulfing. So once this candlestick pops up towards the upside, once the spike happens, then the bullish engulfing comes in. Okay, bullish engulfing pops out. What will you do right now? What you do right now is for you to jump into the market. Okay, no matter the time frame, probably definitely the time frame I use for this market, the time frame I use to trade on this indicator is the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, all right, I personally use the 5 minutes time frame to trade. All right, so let me move back. Alright, so like I was saying, guys, I personally use the 5 minutes time frame to trade. Alright, so the 5 minutes time frame is what I use to trade. Okay, so as you can see over here, you're saying that it says a bullish engulfing over here. So I believe this was the bullish engulfing over here. I don't know if you're seeing that little candle over there. That's the bullish engulfing market. Okay, so the bullish engulfing is over here. As it came out, guys, my entry point will just be above here. My entry point will just be here, and then I'll place my stop loss here. Okay, I'll place my stop loss below this signal over here. Once I place my stop loss below there, saying that whenever the market, if the market should come back, okay, if the market should come back, okay, hold on, I'm trying to get this concentrated. Right, so if the market currently should come back to this point over here, all right, if it should come below this signal point, that means the market is invalid. It's a loss. Okay, it's a loss in the market. So but definitely, mostly what I've seen, guys, so as you're seeing a bullish engulfing candle here, which is this little spike over here, you take your buy over here. Once you take your buy, you place your stop loss below the signal point over here and watch how the market play out. Okay, if it hits a stop loss, just know that that's a loss. Okay, we do encounter loss in the market. That's part of trading. All right, so as you can see over here, all right, so as you can see over here, had it been you took your buy over here, this what would have happened. You see a buy, boom, the market keep on spiking all the way through. Okay, to your entry point. As you can see, let's say you take a buy over here. Okay, you take your first buy over here. As you take your first buy over here, the market spiked. Okay, the first one you would have been into profit. If you decide to hold it by placing your stop loss, another signal over here, bullish engulfing. Okay, after this second signal, had it been you entered here over here again, placing your stop loss below this point, below this signal point over here, this long line below this here, placing your stop loss below it. Just wait and watch what the market does. As you can see back, guys, that was a bullish one. That was a bullish run for you. So let's check other points over there. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. As you can see guys, like I said before, how this thing does work is that the spike will happen. Okay, the spike will come. Once the spike comes, then you will see this bullish engulfing. What it does is that to just wait for the spike to come, then it will now analyze the kind of spike or the kind of candlestick that comes in to now give you the signal. This thing, you don't see it everywhere around the chart. Okay, it's not an indicator that tells you to buy at this point, tells you to buy here. Once it comes, that it repaints and all that. No, it doesn't do that. Okay, so as you can see, it says bullish engulfing. The bullish engulfing is just this single candle. Your entry point should be around this point. You place your SL here and then watch the market play out. You can see guys, that was a 1, 2, 3, many spikes came in. Okay, let's move back and see what happens again. Alright, this was a bullish market. As you can see, the spike killer, I'm on a 5 minute time frame. The spike killer said a bullish engulfing. Okay, so as you can see, hold on. Alright, see what happened over here. Bullish engulfing, your entry point here, your SL below the bullish engulfing signal. As you can see, the market didn't even get to the bullish engulfing signal. Another signal appeared. You take your buy, another buy again. Place your SL below this point. Boom, guys. A lot of profit is made. Okay, there's a lot of things that is killing a lot of traders out there. Greed. Okay, greed is really making a lot of impact on a lot of accounts. A lot of account is being blown, like a lot of people blow their account due to greed. Okay, if you tell me right now I should make some of let me say some of $30 every single day, accumulation is what matters. Okay, this is what we call growing of account, not trading every day, making a lot of trades, and at the end of the day, one trade. In everything, there's always there's always one bad apple. Okay, at the end of the day, you might encounter a trade that's just gonna blow out all the profit you made and still take from your account. Okay, all you just have to base on is what we call accumulation. Okay, accumulation is just how we grow account. Maybe when you have the 5K account, 3K account, that's the time you can really trade as much as you want. But once you have that $30, $50 in your account, try to grow that account and not to blow it. Okay, this indicator right here, I'm breaking it out, I'm making it on a full screen because I know the worth of this indicator. It has really helped me a lot. I'll move over to the 15 minutes right now. I'm on boom 1000. Alright, okay, as you can see right here, this is exactly the thing I'm talking about. Bullish engulfing, you take your buy over here. Mainly, you can use the 5 minutes time frame, guys. 5 minutes time frame personally is what I use, but you can always check it concurrently with the 15 minutes. Okay, see here it says a bullish engulfing. You take your buy. Once this signal appears, you take your buy. Place your stop loss below the signal line and see what happened. The market didn't even get to the signal line. It didn't even take you out of the market. And see what happened. This is a long run. It was a bullish market all through. Okay, so let's move to the other side. As you can see right here, probably from the spike pillar we confirm it's a buy. So every signal right here we take it serious. Every signal right here we take it serious, guys. So the spike pillar told us to buy, that it's a buy. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, the spike pillar over here said it's a buy, which I've said whenever you see a buy, a signal arrow telling you to buy, it means it's a long run on the bullish side. So as you can see right here, the spike killer said to buy. Over here you have the bullish engulfing. You take your buy around this point, place your stop loss below this zone, below the signal line, and see what happened, guys. The market kept on spiking to this point again. It retraced. Okay, these are the things we can't really analyze by ourselves because boom and crash doesn't respect price action. Okay, it doesn't respect price action, but rather I think this is the best thing to do to use to trade this boom and crash. Okay, so over here we have this bullish engulfing. You take your buy over here, place your stop loss below here. See the market taking a bull run. So over here the bullish engulfing came out again. You take your buy over here, place your stop loss here. You see that. Okay, the same thing applicable to this place. See what's happening in the market. So what's happening in the market. So this has been how I've been trading boom and crash lately, and I've been making profit all the way. Okay, as you can see, my testimony is in my group. You are seeing how everything is really working out. Okay, so in the terms of, let me go to crash. Okay, All right, so this is crash. Okay, then in this crash right here we have what we call the bearish engulfing and the bearish we have bearish engulfing and the dark cloud. These are the two main signals that comes on crash. Okay, so the bull cross over here, is actually what we use to scalp. All right, this is exactly what we use to scalp. I will show you my trade over here. This is crash 500. I took a buy over here on what is it called, on crash 500. Okay, there's a single tip I really want to give you guys. All right, there's a single tip I really want to issue out to you guys. Whenever you see a bull cross, okay, definitely I use the 5 minutes time frame. All right, this is the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, like I said, this is the 5 minutes time frame over here. All right, now what is happening in the market? I don't really trust this. I will tell you the truth. I don't really trust the bull harami or what. I don't really trust this particular signal, but the one I trust is the one I tell you. I trust the bull cross, I trust the bull cross, I trust the bull cross, I trust the bearish engulfing, but this bull harami, I don't really trust it. Okay, so I took a buy over here. I think yeah, somewhere around this zone or around the zone, I've forgotten, but I'll show you the trade. So I took a buy. Currently, as you can see, bull cross. Yeah, if you're really thinking of scalping the market, okay, if you think you have that large account or something that you can really risk large amount of lot size, but I don't really recommend that. Even me that has a 5k account, I still use 0.20 lot size. You see on my everyday trade, I use 0.20 lot size. Okay, so over here, whenever you see a bull cross, okay, whenever, I say it again, whenever you see a bull cross on the market, this is something that I've really tested and I trust it. Okay, I do it every day. I scalp the market every single day. Whenever you see a bull cross, okay, just bear in mind that you're going to have one full 5 minutes candle. Okay, you're gonna have one full 5 minutes candle. So if you're ready to scalp one full 5 minutes candle, stay on a 5 minute time frame and watch whenever the bull cross is gonna appear. Over here, before previously around this point on crash 500, I think this was the place I took a sell. Okay, I think this was the place I took a sell because the market got to this point and started retracing and all that. So I thought the market was really gonna drop. Definitely back then I didn't even get any single signal from this bearish stop. There was no signal here. I did that based on how should I say, based on emotions. Okay, I sent out signal based on emotion, what I think was gonna happen without analysis, which is wrong. Okay, please don't ever trade with emotions. Okay, always analyze the market. So this is what analyzes the market for us: the bearish engulfing, bull harami, bull cross. All right, so as you can see right here, the spike classes we should buy. The market is in an uptrend on the 5 minute. So bull cross over here, you would have scalped a single 5 minutes candle and run away. You wait for the next bull cross, scalp a single 5 minutes candle and you go out. Okay, this is how I've been trading and this is how I've been scalping the market. Let me show you guys a crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000 over here, guys. Crash 1000 speaking. Yeah, I'm just joking. All right, so over here, as you can see, guys, bull cross appeared over here. I know buying crash is really dangerous. All right, but only do that once you're seeing a buying arrow on the 5 minutes candle. Once you're seeing a buying arrow on the 5 minutes candle and you're seeing a bull run, okay, you can easily scalp one single full 5 minutes candle. I'm sure of that. People should have said it and I said it. Okay, you can really scalp one full 5 minutes candle on the 5 minutes. Okay, so as you can see here, the bull cross is over here. Boom, one single 5 minutes candle was scalped. Okay, bull cross over here, one single 5 minutes was scalped. If you want, I can really do that for you, but I will only do that on a demo account. I can't really risk my account. Okay, I can't really risk my own account. Okay, so I can do that on a demo account. I can really show you guys that the bull cross really works. Okay, I don't need to do that on a demo because nobody is gonna believe me. They want something real, and I'm not taking that risk on my real account. Okay, I only take one single 5 minutes candle and I leave the market. Okay, this is what I do. Okay, so if it's only for people that with large account, people who can go 2 lots, 1 lot, let me say 5 lots on their account, but I don't think anybody will want to risk such on their account. So let's go back. Let's see if we're gonna see more
of what's happening in the market.
As you can see right here, these are the signals. If you guys remember, there was this, I sent out a trade, some profit, I think few days ago.